What's good, y'all? Okay, so today we're doing kind of a simple tutorial, but one that's probably gonna help. So let's just get right into it. All right, so have you ever opened up Lightroom thinking you're gonna go ahead and edit your photos or view your photos, export your photos, and then when you open it, you see that all of your photos have the file cannot be found. And you're freaking out because you just spent hours and hours and days and months and your blood, sweat, and tears. And you're like, what do you mean? What do you mean the file can't be found? Like, where is it? But I got you. We're gonna find those photos, so don't freak out. Don't freak out. You're going through your photos. Every single photo has the file cannot be found. You're going to your rated, you're going to your flagged, you're going to all your different folders, and you see that all the photos have the same thing on it. You can't edit, you can't export, so what do? It's really simple. You really just have to relocate where the photo is. So if you rename the folder, it could be as simple as that. If you put it on a different hard drive, as simple as that. If it wasn't downloads, then you move it to the desktop, simple as that. Like, it's really just, it's relocated or moved to a different area or folder, and so you just gotta find it, connect it, boom, bada bang. It's like a Bluetooth device. Once you disconnect, you gotta reconnect. You know, you feel me? All right, so the easiest way, especially if you have multiple photos, right, is just go up to your library. So if you're in develop, just go over to library. And I'm saying that because you want the library tab that's on the top left of your screen. And if you're still in develop, you're not gonna have the library tab that's on the left hand side. So yeah, go to the library tab and then go to the left and hit library and go down to where it says find all missing photos. Once you go to the library, find all missing photos, you may see other photos that you're not trying to get that are also missing, but that's fine. Don't worry about those right now if you don't need to. You're just gonna try to locate the ones that you want to locate, if that makes sense. So select a photo that you're trying to locate, click the exclamation point. It's gonna say photo is missing, and then once you click on that, you're gonna get an option, kind of like a warning that says the file cannot be found. You know, it's gonna have like the name of whatever, but this is the cheat code, right? Because it shows you at the bottom where the previous location was. So if it was in your downloads or whatever the heck, you can see that mine currently is in, you know, my OneDrive desktop, video content, videos, mom's moon rock, Austin. Like it tells you literally the whole entire situation of where it currently or used to be, right? So that's how you're gonna find it. Now me, I know that mine, it doesn't really say it, but I know mine was in a external drive, in my D drive. So that's the reason why mine says that the photos can't be found, is because my D drive is not connected. So I'm gonna connect my D drive and then we're gonna locate the photos. All right, so now I plugged in my external drive. So now I'm just gonna go through where the previous location was. So obviously, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and hit locate, go to my desktop, go to the drive, and just go through all the things to where I know the photo is. Not the light dying, but you just want to click on the photo, and then once you find the location, make sure find nearby missing photos is selected, and then hit select. And then from there, you know, just give it some time. Just give it some time. It's gonna look like sometimes it's not working. It may look like it's not working, but it's working. And then so now you see that the exclamation points are gone. You can scroll through, you're no longer getting that error, so you can go back to develop. And then for me, I have mine on rated, like the ones that, you know, I went with and whatnot. So then going back to rated, you can see those photos no longer have the exclamation. And if it brings up some of the other ones, like from a different folder and stuff that, you know, it still says missing, obviously you didn't add those, so you just do the same steps for those, but that's besides the point. The ones that we're looking for, we found. So yeah, that's essentially how you find your missing photos. Simple as that. Quick one too. Library, find all missing photos, find a photo, hit the exclamation point, locate, go to the location, select, boom. Like, what was that, 6 steps? I don't know, I wasn't counting, but it's at least 10 steps. 10 quick steps. Quick steps is the point. Anyways, y'all, hope this helps. Check out this video. I think you'll like it.